EdTech and TCAPS. What does technology integration look like in TCAPS? We do follow the standards put out by ISTE. ISTE is the International Society for Technology and Education. The ISTE standards are a framework for students, educators, administrators, instructional coaches, and computer science educators to rethink education and create innovative learning environments. The standards are helping educators and education leaders worldwide re-engineer schools and classrooms for digital age learning, no matter where they are on the journey to effective EdTech integration. These standards are explored in depth at the ISTE website, which you can find at iste.org. When adding technology into your lesson or unit plans, be mindful of the ISTE standards for students. Today's students must be prepared to thrive in a constantly evolving technology landscape. The ISTE standards for students are designed to empower student voice and ensure that learning is a student-driven process. Let's dive into the ISTE standards. Standard 1, Empowered Learner. Students leverage technology to take an active role in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating competency in their learning goals, informed by the learning sciences. Standard 2, Digital Citizen. Students recognize the rights, responsibilities, and opportunities of living, learning, and working in an interconnected digital world, and they act and model in ways that are safe, legal, and ethical. Standard 3, Knowledge Constructor. Students critically curate a variety of resources, including digital tools to construct knowledge, produce creative artifacts, and make meaningful learning experiences for themselves and for others. Standard 4, Innovative Designer. Students use a variety of technologies within a design process to identify and solve problems by creating new, useful, or imaginative solutions. Standard 5, Computational Thinker. Students develop and employ strategies for understanding and solving problems in ways that leverage the power of technology methods to develop and test solutions. Standard 6, Creative Communicator. Students communicate clearly and express themselves creatively for a variety of purposes using the platforms, tools, styles, formats, and digital media appropriate to their goals. Standard 7, Global Collaborator. Students use digital tools to broaden their perspectives and enrich their learning by collaborating with others and working effectively in teams locally and globally. I want to mention that these standards were adopted by Michigan in 2017. In Michigan, we call them MITECS, the Michigan Integrated Technology Competencies for Students, but you will notice they are the exact same standards as ISTE. You will see both ISTE and MITECS referred to and referenced here in TCAPS. If you want to learn more about how to implement these standards in the classroom, the TCAPS Loop podcast network has done multiple episodes based around the ISTE standards. When we're talking about technology integration here in TCAPS and what these ISTE standards look like in the classroom, we talk a lot about focused, intentional technology integration, and we typically look to the work of Liz Kolb. Liz Kolb's book, Learning First, Technology Second, and the accompanying EEE framework give educators the tools necessary to integrate technology effectively. The framework is based on 3 components: engagement in learning goals, enhancement of learning goals, and extension of learning goals. More information about the EEE framework can be found at EEEframework.com. Effective technology use can be a daunting, messy task. Please reach out to your TCAPS EdTech coaches for help. We love to talk about tech integration, the ISTE standards, and the EEE framework.